Hello friends, I am Catherine and today I want to draw over this pour that I did the other day with Sharpies. I see when I look at it an alien landscape with a trail for a rocket heading off into space. So to that end, I'm going to try to draw a rocket in Sharpie on here and see how that shows up. I want to do like the classic style cartoon rocket because I think that would look really cool. So I've outlined a rocket on here with just a fine point Sharpie. And now I'm going to take a thick Sharpie and hopefully go back through and get some of these lines bolder and with more dimension and variance, because line variance is key. Alright, so let's see here. It's just work on this a little bit, and then real thin line right down here at the bottom, I think. And maybe thicker right there to either of those sides. And then maybe color in the nose of the rocket a little bit. See how that works out. See if we like it. And then maybe like some spots in a line down this side for like bolts or something. That could be kind of fun. And then so I've got these wings to either side, but I think I want to do one down the center here as well. There we go. And then this can be a thicker line to the top of each of those. There we go. And then maybe like a stripe at the bottom of each of those wings as well. Can you even see that? I don't know. I think I need to do some more coloring in on it to really make it stand out. Let's bring this downward facing side a little darker and thicker and see how that works out. Yeah, I'm liking that. That's turning out better. Let's bring that, curve it this way a little bit more. And do the same thing for the bottom side of each of these fins. Because that will hopefully give it more definition. Liking that a lot better now. For the blast off portion. There we go, like that, but then maybe like something like that in the center, and then color that in. Yeah, that could be fun. And I think that rocket ship is kind of done. Maybe some like swirly curly plants off here in the distance. Maybe. Make it even more alien-like and strange. There we go, something right down there like that. And curl it back in this way so that it comes around on the horizon. And then maybe some spikes or leaves or whatever. And something on the other side as well. Maybe more swirls, but maybe not fully formed this time. Maybe they come out in a spray like that. And then maybe dots right at the ends of those. And then it comes off of that, like that, maybe. And then some spikes off of it in that direction, just to give it some extra depth. And then bring it around like that. That is pretty alright, I think. I've got the rocket in there. I've got a little bit of foliage along the horizon. That's pretty good. So now I think just to cap everything off and seal it all in, I've got this spray clear glaze. So we'll just spray that on there and seal everything in. Okay. Try and make it even. And there we have it. Actually, that makes that rocket really stand out against the paint. Nice. Make sure that I get the corners. Okay. I like it. Well, if you like it too, definitely hit that thumbs up. I'm always happy to hear from you. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs up anyway. Who knows? Remember to subscribe because I put up new videos every day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!